हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 6 का ज्योग्राफी का 10 चैप्टर ह्यूमन ऑक्यूपेशन, उसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं हम चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। उसमें फर्स्ट है सर्विंग एज अ डैश इज अ टर्सरी टाइप ऑफ ऑक्यूपेशन। आंसर है बस कंडक्टर। सेकेंड है इज द ट्रॉपिकल एरियाज वी मेनली सी डैश occupations. Answers primary. Third, Amol's granny sells papad and pickles. Which types of occupation is it? Answer tertiary. B है give reason. उसमें फर्स्ट है the types of occupation determines a person's income. Answer generally favor skill are required to perform primary occupations such as animal husbandry, lumbering, etc. Therefore, people engaged in this occupation get comparatively less income. On the other hand, greater skill are required to perform quaternary occupations such as designing buildings, trading, patients, teaching, etc. Therefore, people engaged in this occupation get comparatively high incomes. In this way, the type of occupation determines a person's income. Second है primary occupations are associated with developing countries while tertiary with developed countries. Answer primary occupations require comparatively lesser amount of skill and capital investment. On the other hand, tertiary occupations require comparatively more amount of skill and capital investment. In developing countries, the capital formation rate is comparatively low. On the other hand, in developed countries, the capital formation rate is comparatively high. Therefore, primary occupations are associated with developing countries while tertiary with developed countries. Third है quaternary occupations are not commonly seen. Answer quaternary occupations are not ordinary service and they cannot be performed by ordinary peoples. They can only be performed by people who have acquired special skill and expertise. Therefore, quaternary occupations are not commonly seen.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 6वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.